Okay, we're going to try this SD45 954. Has Ernst gears in it. Now it's DC, and we rebuilt this one quite a while back. But we're going to see what it pulls on the dynamometer, and we can only do this on the workbench because it's DC. So let's get them down to 0 right there, and let's see what he can do. So let's watch the scale here. And let's check it. Looks like
110.
he pulls 110. And one of you guys pointed out that we did not take weights, so we're going to take his weight also. So he pulls 110, and we'll compile a chart. We'll weigh everybody, and then we'll look at our data when we're done. So let's take him off and put him on the scale, and see what we got here. Or let's put some batteries in them. How about that? Maybe that would be the trick. See if we got some batteries here for him. A couple batteries in there. Oh, well, that's spare batteries. We need to put in some regular batteries. All right. Let's try that again. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Now let's try them again. That grams and 409. 14 ounces. Okay. We're going to measure them in ounces. 14.44 ounces. Okay. Later, we will tabulate this data, and we'll see how, if we can get, I'd like a measurement based on Blue Box GP9 with no extra weights added to it. And then we can say that like 9503, roughly 3 GP9s. Some kind of measurement like that, so that we have some way of thinking about what it is that we are measuring here. All right, now we'll get on to doing some of the other ones.